guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I am so excited to bring you a new subscription box. That's right. This is a new seasonal subscription box and it's called For Couples Box. Do you want to see what this is all about and what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this company reached out to me. It's called the Couples Box, and they asked if I'd be willing to review their box and show you guys what they've got going on. And when I read their website, it seemed so neat because there's a lot of items for the woman and there are a few items for the man. So it kind of like helps justify why you're getting a box and you get to spoil yourself and your man at the same time. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company like I do when I first bring a box to my channel so we can see what it's about, what we should expect, that kind of thing, and then we'll go ahead and get into the unboxing. So how it works. We partnered with independent artisans and suppliers from around the world. Each quarter, our team curates 10 to 12 jewelry and accessories for couples. Boxes are $350 or higher in total value and you pay $99. So this is a seasonal box. So it's only 4 times a year and you get 10 to 12 different products for $99 and it has a value of $350 or more. No subscription is required. Limited boxes available each quarter. You get to actually log in, see every item that is in there. If you would like it, then you purchase it. It's not an actual subscription where you're locked in and you have to do it. You check it out. If it seems good to you, then you purchase it, which I think that's really good. It's a seasonal, but you get to see it first and there's no actual commitment to a subscription box. We do not require your credit card information to be saved. Subsequent to your first purchase, you will receive an email notifying several weeks prior to view the next quarter for sale. You decide if you want to buy the box or not. Keep in mind, limited boxes are shipped out each quarter, first come, first serve. Review and purchase your quarterly subscription box. You get to view the items in the box and simply check out via PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can quickly create one in 60 seconds using your credit card. PayPal protects you and makes it easy to troubleshoot, address any transaction issues, that kind of thing. So that's really neat that they go through PayPal because then you have PayPal protection and all of that stuff too. So I actually appreciate that they go through PayPal. Surprise that special person in your life and treat yourself at the same time. So this is founded by a husband and wife. They are launching this together, which I think that's really neat because then the wife would know what a woman would want and then her husband would know what a man should want. So it's kind of cool that they're both curating these boxes together. It's a husband and wife. It's a jewelry and accessory box for couples. We ship 10 to 12 items per quarter. First box ships in December. So this box here is December's box and you can see what their first quarter is going to be. Our business model, no subscription required. Limited boxes available each quarter. View the items in your box prior to purchase. $375 total value is what it says there. So one says $375 and one says $350. So at least you know it's going to definitely be over $350 each quarter. And then you only pay $99. Jewelry, all the pieces of jewelry are $925 sterling silver, nickel free with stones or freshwater pearls. Accessories could be watches, belts, clutch, purses, wallets, socks, duffel bags, etc. So any jewelry items should all be $925 sterling silver, nickel free. Here is a good fact. Percentage of our profits is donated to after-school meal programs for kids from low-income homes. So many kids do not have a meal once they leave school. No child should worry about their next meal. So they do donate to help kids in need, which that's amazing. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what this is all about. Again, it's like a jewelry accessory box for men and women combined. So let's cut the tape. Let's get it in here and let's see what is going on. Okay. Ta-da. Ta-ta-ta. For Couples Box. Not the Couples Box. It's For Couples Box. Sorry. For Couples Box. And it looks like here's a black dot and a pink dot. So this side must be for the men and this side must be for the women. So there is a little pamphlet here. It says December's box, Merry Christmas. 3 items for him, see the black sticker. 7 items for her, see the pink sticker. So there's 10 items total in this particular box. So in here, it does have member details, which I'm assuming it's everything that I already printed off of their website, but no subscription required, limited boxes, view the items beforehand. They ship on the 14th of the month. So December, March, June, September, it'll ship on the 14th of that month for those 4 months. And each box contains 10 to 12, $350 value plus. So $350, I'm just gonna stick with the $375. I don't know, we'll just stick with the $350. Securely check out with PayPal. They ship within the US and Canada. US is $5, except Puerto Rico, Hawaii, and Alaska is $7, and Canada is $8. So let's go ahead and get into the him side and see what will be for him. And again, that is this black part. So there's the 3 items for him. Let's go with the first one right on top. This would be a belt. This belt is an elastic braided canvas. Ooh, and it's stretchy. And this is valued at $19. And I don't see like a size on it or anything, but it is stretchy. You can't tell, but watch. See, it stretches. Cha-cha. So here is a stretchy belt valued at $19. And then here is a pair of socks. And these are so cute. They have like little, they look like little flamingo birds or something on there. So here's one pair of socks, and the pair of socks is valued at $9. 80% combined cotton, 15% polyester, and 5% spandex. And it looks like there was a whole lot of different designs they could have chose from, and this is the one that's in my box. So this would probably be sent at random, the style, so you probably won't get the same birds. You might, but they have several different options looking at that picture. So there's the pair of socks. And then the last item for him is in this box right here. This is a nice little wooden box. It has an S on the top. And let's see. Ooh, it is a watch, you guys. And so this is natural oak wood watch, valued at $82. This is handmade, Myoda quartz movement. Not sure if I said that right. 42 millimeter diameter face and leather band with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. So the brand must be that S, because that S is also on the watch. I'm trying to see if I can find. Here's information on probably how you program it, set it, because there's different things. There's like normal time, it looks like maybe a stopwatch, and I don't know, but that looks like a wood grain finish. That looks very nice. And then it has the leather strap, and it does have this little thing here, so you pull that off and then it starts ticking. So the battery is not being used currently, so I do appreciate that. There is a plastic film that's right over the top that you do remove as well. So everything is really nice and protected. And I think that that looks really cool with the little, it looks like a wood finished face. That's really neat. So he would have a watch, and this is really cool, especially if it ships in December, because these you could also use for Christmas gifts if you would like. So y'all can keep that in mind. So here's a watch. So those are the 3 items for him. Let's go ahead and get into the her side. And the her side is right there. And again, the her side, we have what, 7 items? So let's go ahead and get into the her side. So, ooh, and if you guys watch me, you know that I have like a sentimental tie with butterflies, and this is a butterfly necklace. Let me try to get that in better for you. It has like little, looks like little stones in there. This is a butterfly necklace valued at $55. Sterling silver, nickel-free, adjustable chain. Yeah, it looks like there's different little stones in there. Oh, there you go. See them bling blinging? That is so pretty. And I'm telling you, you guys, you know, my thing with butterflies. So, did I put it on backwards? Yeah, I would. That would be what I just did. Whoop, and it just went down my shirt. Hold on. Censor this out. Okay, there we go. Let me get it back on. And they do it, it is, if you can see like those bigger ones there, so you can go into those bigger holes. That's how it's adjustable. So you can make it tighter up on your neck if you would like, or lower. Let me see if I can go up one to make it a little bit tighter. There we go. So I went up a little bit more just because I wanted to see it. Well, I was hoping to see it on the darker side, but that is so pretty. Let me get it on this side so you can see. That is really, really pretty. And again, that's up one. It can go down and it can go up another one to make it even tighter. So I like the way that it's adjustable because it's not just all those little things on the end. I like that. Valued at $55. Holy moly. Okay, so now we have is a pair of earrings. Those are really pretty. So these are leaf earrings valued at $29. They are sterling silver and nickel free. Sorry, I always move my hand down for you guys. And I like that the leaf moves like freely. Those are really pretty. So we have a pair of earrings. And we have, here's another pair of earrings. And these are little butterflies. These are butterfly stud earrings, $19. And they even give you an extra set of these little, I thought maybe they just weren't on, but they actually gave you a little extra set of the little rubber backings, which you could always even stick them on this one because this one doesn't have them. But either way, let me show you these little guys. Because this would even be good if you even had like a daughter. Like if you wanted her to, if you wanted to give these like to your daughter or your niece or somebody even for Christmas. If you didn't want to wear these personally, why is it not like showing you? But those are really pretty. They're nice and dainty and little, and those are really cute. So we have a set of those earrings. Okay, so it looks like we got a lot of jewelry in here. It looks like that's pretty much all that we got was jewelry. Oh, there's one other thing that I see now. So this one, ooh. So we have layers. This one we have layers. Okay, so this is a layered ring and necklace bar. Oh, because here's the ring and here's the bar. And this is sterling silver and nickel free. Let me get this one off. Now this one is also adjustable at the top, but this one has the little ring things that I was talking about earlier. I probably wore the wrong shirt for this, but you get the point. So you have this top layer here that has like this thicker piece that does actually move. Then you have the little ring right here, and then the bottom one has the bar. So I definitely wore the wrong shirt for this type of thing, but that is very pretty. I like the 3 different layers, and this can go tighter or looser because it has the adjustable thing back there. So again, this one's valued at $85. That is really pretty though, you guys. I really like that. Okay, so moving right along, this is a turquoise anklet. And this is $8. This is alloy adjustable bracelet length. And it has the little turquoise beads on it. And most of the time I could get away with wearing an anklet as a bracelet. Look, I mean, I have to go all the way to the tightest position, but I got big wrists. But here's a anklet. I like the little turquoise on there. That is really pretty, of course, because it's my favorite color. So, and this is like I said, this one's $8. This one's not sterling silver. This one's actually alloy, but it's for your ankle. So there's that. So it looks like we have 2 items still left. And, oh, we have another, oh, this is a bracelet. I thought it was another necklace. This one's a bracelet. This is a heart bracelet valued at $48. And it is the sterling silver, nickel-free, and adjustable length. So it has like 2 chains basically that are pulled to hold that heart. That is really pretty. And I do like that everything is actually sterling silver. That is so pretty. So it has a little heart. And again, it has like the 2 chains that are holding it in place. So there's that. I think I might have put it on a little tight, but I have a lot of room to spare. And I like that. It's just nice and simple. I just really think that's so cute. It's nice and dainty and simple. So, and again, that one is valued at $48. And then the last item in here is a pair of socks. And this has Christmas little reindeers on there. So here's a pair of socks for her. And these are valued at $9, 80% combined cotton, 15% polyester, and 5% spandex. So that is everything that we got today, you guys. We got this, I love this 3-tiered necklace. This bracelet is just really cute. We got the pair of socks. We got this anklet. We got this really, really cute butterfly necklace. We have the butterfly earrings, and then we have the leaf hanging earrings. And then for the guy, we got the watch, the socks, and the belt. So that's a lot of stuff. Again, this is $99. This is valued at over $350. Everything for this, I will put right here. This will be the total value for this complete box. And it's first come, first serve. It's available now. It will ship in December. You guys can definitely check it out. No credit card required to be stored. And you can purchase it anytime, and it's seasonal. It's seasonal. You get a lot of jewelry items in here, you guys. So comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? Comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And yeah, so until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.